Lagi na lang. Hello, Rosemary. Hi, Boy B. Thank you, Vance. Wait lang. Sige, guys. Kung mananadigo, ikaw lang palagi. Totoo ba? Hello, Burger ka sa akin. Hello, Ivy. Ay, ikaw yan, Burger. Natandaan kita. Hello. Nahanap ko yung, pinapasol. Hello, Jose. Thank you, Zika. Oh, appreciate it, Zika. Hello, Daniel. You're back. Where did you go? Thank you, Hal. Wala pa naman nagko-comment mo, kaya magsagot-sagot muna ako dito, guys. Sabihin niyo pag may nagko... Hey, Kakashi. Go lang. Sorry guys ha, bukas na kasi yung exam eh. Why? Where will you go? Do you have break now, Daniel? Hello, Sanda. Susira, babe. Okay, okay, okay. Oh. Hi, Mars. Hello, Jubel. Hi, Mars. Long time. Long time no watch. Thank you, Jess. So much. Hello, ID. Hey, scene. Thank you, Gems. Yung mahirap eh. Okay, okay pa yung meeting. Thank you, Marsh. Is it your early year, Marsh? And I know it's not you. It's 80 pala. Hello, ID. Really, Daniel? Is that true? Just for me? Hi, Solar. Eh, sino dito marunong mag-T account? Paturo naman this week. Sa first year pa namin to, kaya Nicole, limot-limot ko na ngayon. Bumalik na naman siya sa topic namin. Oh, 2:51 a.m. It's already 9:52 p.m. here. Okay na, bawi na lang tayo sa mga chewings, huwag na sa mga solid. Hello, Rocky. Thank you, Daniel, so much. Really appreciate it. Conceivable between months. Hello, Zok. Between months. Hello, guys. You can comment something, guys, ha. Don't be shy. Sales okay. Recoveries. Hello, ID. Hello, sino to? Bell? Ay, parang alam ko to, Bell. Sabi ni, nag-change name. Hey, mo yan. Hello, ate. Happy Bell na. Happy Bell, hi. Ay, shoot it. Bell, NPR. Hello, ate yan. Hello, ID. Ang dami naman nito. Paano ko naman ito matatandaan? Hello, Block Boy. Really? That's good. Thank you, boss. Boss, sorry. Lagi na lang boring yung live ko, Bans, ha? Sorry, sorry, ah. Hi, Mo. Parang nagkakataon ka lagi sa live ko ng ano, wala akong topic. Collection. Berries. Right. Hello, Benedicto. Ano, pretest pa. Hi, Paul. Ay, sa up. Oh, ano gawa mo? Nagsisolve. Pwede ba ipakita? Baka maban ako. Ito. Ito yung mga, ano, mga tawag ko, problem. Kasi absent ako this time. This time. Ito yan. Absent ako that time. Mm-mm. Hindi ko siya na ano, tang-inahan. Ano, Mordecai? Yung, kung kailan absent ako, yun pala yung ano, parang 50% na lalabas sa exam, di ba? Solid. Solid talaga. Solid. Hindi. Ano to, accounting. Well, pinch your nose. Pinch. Hi, dudes. Ay, ayoko. Ano kasi to? Ride the plastic. Char. Ay, Maki. Ay, wag niyo sa akin anuhin yung ano niyo, ha? Ay, grabe naman, putik. Alam ko, nag-upgrade na yung si Howdy na to, ah. Nag-upgrade na, nag-kick na, mute na. Hello, Ate Mix. Hello, Junior, you're here. Nag-upgrade na ang putik. Hello. Hi, how are you, Junior? Hello, Ronald. What's your silver name? 3 minutes only, why? Oh, that's good, you know. Don't waste your time for that. When you only have 3 minutes. Hi, Jams. When you only have 3 minutes. Hindi ko mag-gets, guys. Sige na. Alam ko nang babagsak ako. Tagapin ko na lang. Why? Can you private message me what happened? If that's okay. Singapore? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Good night. Visit ka talaga. Guys, bakit ang dami kong viewers? Totoo ba to? Or, mga ano ba kayo, guys? Mga bot ba to? Mga bot ba to mga to? Ano ka na legit? Ang aga naman. Multi-10 pa lang, be. Over na din. Okay, Jimmy. I'll wait for your